Hi, my name is Jenny Brackett Brooks, and this is my material critique. I have chosen the game Set as I have used it in the gifted classroom and in my high school classrooms for years because it is perfect for all ages. It was published by Set Enterprises, created by a woman scientist who was actually analyzing DNA strands and put them on cards, and then saw this could be a perfect game for visual perception. And the game is laid out in 12 cards. It can be in physical deck or an online format, but it's always the 12 cards. And I'm going to explain to you how to play, but I want to point out that you can purchase it online, or you can play the game for free online. And it did win the Mensa Award for Originality, Intellectual Challenge, and Longevity. So, how to play? First of all, you're looking at those 12 cards and you're trying to find a set of three, and the cards have to be all the same or all different in four different areas. And those areas are number, color, shape, or shade. So let's take a look at this set. They have all three different numbers. All three are different shapes. All three are different shades, and all three are different colors. So they are a set because they are different in each of the four areas. This is also a set. All three are green, so the same color, and all three are the number 2, so the same number. But all three are different shapes, and all three are different shades. So they have to be all the same or all different in each of the four areas. So that's why this one down here, which looks like it would be a set, is not a set. Yes, they are all the same color, they are all the same number, and they are all different shapes, but these two are both shaded solid, and this one is striped, so it is not a set. And this is where the whole processing, critical thinking skills, and visual perception come into play. So let's play now. I want to also show you, before we go to the online game, that there is a worksheet on Teachers Pay Teachers that I found illustrating students how to play the game. And like I said, I have played this for every age. I've had set competitions in my classroom, and I've had daily high school for warm-ups where kids are trying to beat the other classes that come later in time and how quickly they can identify these online. So this is the online set, and I will show you, it's timing me right now, and I find a set, this one, and this one, because all three are the same number, all three are the same shade, but all three are different colors, and all three are different shapes. So that is a set. I hope you enjoy this. Check out the online to figure it out and introduce it to your kids. It is a wonderful critical thinking activity. Thank you.